Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Daraz open and are signed in. Start by typing the store name or a flagship product into the main search bar. Once done, scan the results for entries labeled as store or branded listings. These link to seller pages. Make sure to set category and location filters to reduce noise and sort by relevance or newest to surface official shops. This first pass saves time and points you directly at candidate stores to inspect further. You should now open each promising store page and look at the seller header, ratings, follower count, and whether it has a verified or official badge. Then scan storefront categories to confirm product range and check shipping regions and estimated delivery times. Use the chat button to ask quick questions about stock or authenticity. A responsive seller is a good sign. Also review recent product listings and customer reviews to confirm quality and consistent service before moving to checkout. Once you find the correct store, follow it and enable notifications so new products and offers appear in your feed. When buying, confirm the seller name on the product page, choose your payment method, and use order tracking after purchase. If you can't find a store, try alternate spellings, search by seller ID, or check related product pages for the vendor link. If that fails, contact Daraz support or use the in-app help chat to locate or report a missing store. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.